Ito na everyone. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. Only fried fish. Fish is rich in iodine. For thyroid, to help thyroid gland. This is the only food that this is only additional because we still have the vegetable in the pancit that I cooked it today in last day. Anyway guys, today is Friday, it's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend everyone. Anyway, what is your plan for the weekend? I'm planning to go walking beside the beach. I wish to go walking beside the beach. Since the war started, I will be able to walk beside the beach or in the park. Because we prefer to stay indoors. Because it's not good if, there is missile and drones attack. The government advised the people have to stay indoor, not in outdoor, because the debris, it will scatter when they intersect the missile. I hope there is no alert tomorrow for missile attack or drone attack, so that I can be able to go walking beside the beach. Guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, and suggestion, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.